After you've read your robot story on the first grade level page, then you're going to do this assignment. The first thing that you need to do is you're going to go to File, you're going to choose Make a Copy, you're going to choose Entire Presentation. Google is going to name this Copy of First Grade Reading, March 30th through April 3rd, and it's going to save it in your Google Drive, so you're going to choose OK. And now that you've made a copy of this, you can type on this and turn this into your teacher. So we're going to look at the next slide. We're just going to click on it. This is the story of a robot inventor. The third slide asks, what is the author's purpose of sharing this story with you? So you can click in this square here. Ms. Henry's already inserted a text box, so click 2 times. Then you can begin to type, I think, and explain to me what you think the author was trying to share with you or why it was important for him or her to write this story for you to read. After you've done that, you can go to slide number 4. It talks about how the character in this book used his imagination to design robots. So on the next slide, we are going to design our own robot by using shapes. This is similar to the activity that you did in the computer lab where we created animals, their habitat, things like that. So you're going to choose shapes. I'm going to choose a rounded rectangle. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to make this shape, or my robot, I think I'm going to make him green. I'm going to insert another shape. I'm going to put in a different one, maybe make it the head. I'm going to make the head of this robot blue. No, purple. Now I'm going to go to shape. And I think I can use this for an arm. We'll see. And put in a different shape. I'm going to do a different arm on this side. I'm going to use this one. Now some legs. I think I'm just going to use a rectangle. I'm going to make the legs a different color. I'm going to make them yellow. Now you can continue to decorate your robot or make it look however you want. On the next slide, you're going to tell me what your robot can do. So I've already put a text box here, so you just click twice and you can begin to type, my robot can, and list and tell me all the things that your imaginary robot can do. Awesome work. So we're going to share this with your teacher. You're going to click share and you're going to type your teacher's name. I'm going to share this one with Miss Adams. I'm going to click Lori Adams and send. Guys, I'm so proud of you for working hard at home and getting all these things done. You're doing a great job. I miss you very much, and I hope I get to see you soon.